Thank you for subscribing and hit that notification bell. Hi everyone, welcome back. And in this video, I have for you the Polygel kit from Saviland. It sells for $42.99 on Amazon. It has free shipping and free returns. The link will be in the description box so you can check it out there. Now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you what's inside. And it looks very nice and presentable. And of course, this has your instructions inside. And it also has some other things that Saviland sells too that you might want to check out. They give you 24 dual forms and there's 12 in each package. And these are the dual forms that are similar to the YS dual forms. I myself don't use dual forms, but I know a lot of other people do out there. But I just wanted you to see what they look like. And it comes with the standard Polygel brush with the Saviland name on it. And it has the spatula on one end. And then of course your brush on the other. And it comes with slip solution. This is a 30 ml bottle of slip solution. And it says acrylic slip solution, acrylic gel slip solution. And I wish they wouldn't have put that on there because that can be confusing. This is not monomer, okay? This is slip solution. They also give you a 7 ml bottle of base and then a 7 ml bottle of top coat. And these are small, tiny bottles. That's what they look like, tiny. You get a 100-180 grit nail file. They give you 7 15 ml tubes of colored polygels. And I really like the color selection, except that they gave you 2 blues. You really didn't need this blue right here. It's a little light, I think. Maybe an orange or a red would be nice. All the tubes are individually sealed for your protection. And I am going to be swatching these polygels on a clear swatch stick. I'm going to be using their slip solution and it has a very light scent. It is barely noticeable, the smell. The first thing I noticed right away when I started to use the polygel was that it had a firm consistency. And I like a firm polygel. I don't like a polygel that is super soft, sticky, and stringy. And if you just watch me pat and stretch this polygel into place, you can see that with the brush that I do apply a bit of pressure and still there's no sticking, no stringing. As you can see, I'm not even using much slip solution at all, and it just is very nice to work with. This fuchsia pink is a bright, beautiful color, and I did notice too that out of all 7 colors, this one was the most firm. But I mean, it wasn't hard to work with at all, really. And you all know that if you find a polygel that is a little too firm, that you can take the tube and put it in a warm cup of water for maybe 5 minutes and that will soften it up. If you want to see how I did that, you can follow the arrow and watch the video. Now I like this blue better than the first blue. I think they should have scrapped that other one and kept this color and, like I said, maybe added an orange or maybe a red. Out of all the colors, I feel that the yellow was the softest in consistency, but you know, it wasn't too soft where it's stringing or anything like that. It was good. It's great. This is the last color, and now that I've got to use the 6 colors, I want to tell you what I think about the slip solution. I'm not fond of this slip solution. I felt like it's not slippery enough for my brush when it works on the Polygel. Polygel slip solution is supposed to be slippery. That's why I call it slip, right? But this one is not like that. It feels like it's dragging on the Polygel, and I can see that the slip solution beads up on the Polygel and it looks like oil. It's done that on all the Polygels. Now in the directions it does say that you can use isopropyl alcohol or you can use a gel cleanser, and then there's other things that we can use too. So I will probably be using something else other than this slip solution. And here's what I'm talking about right here. You can see on top of the Polygel right here, this is not cured yet, that there's little water droplets like. And when I take my brush and I smooth them down, they go away briefly, but then they reappear. It's almost like oil, feels like an oily substance. That's what it's doing, you know, and it has done this on all the Polygels. All the Polygels that I've already done right here, they're cured, but they look gritty. And I know if I used a different slip solution, it probably wouldn't do that. I wanted to do some filing on this product and just see how it felt, and to see if maybe it was a soft Polygel or a hard Polygel, because I couldn't find anywhere in the instructions or on the box that said it was a soak-off Polygel. And from filing, I can tell that it's more than likely a hard Polygel, one that you would need to file off, because you know when you have a soft Polygel how easy it is to file, and that the filings are really thick and fluffy. Well, this one is not doing that. It kind of files off a lot like, I would say, acrylic, but I mean, it's not difficult to file. So yeah, I'm assuming this is a hard Polygel. Here are all the colors. They have been top coated and they're looking very beautiful and shiny. I love all the colors, except I'm not fond of that first blue on the left. I think it should have been a red or an orange. That's just my opinion. But overall, I think that this is a great kit for the money. I am not too fond of 15 mil tubes, you know that. This kit is probably going to be great for overlays on short nails or short nails in general. If you want to make enhancements, they probably should be short length, because if you're going to make any kind of enhancements with any long length, there's probably not going to be enough Polygel here to even do maybe 2 sets of long nails. But other than that, I really love the workability of this Polygel. The consistency is perfect for me. This is what I like in a Polygel, everyone. This is the way Polygel is supposed to be. It's not supposed to be sticky and stringy. It's supposed to be manageable. You're supposed to be able to stretch it and use very little slip solution to do that. And other than that, you know, other than that blue color and the small tubes, I think it's a great kit. And you know what? This Saviland has 18 colors altogether, and they do also sell 30-gram tubes. So yeah, I guess, you know, I'm going to be buying some 30-gram tubes of Saviland colored Polygel in the future. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, Saviland, for sending this kit for review. I hope to be able to do a set for you in the future, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.